Hey guys, welcome to the channel. I'm Brian, this is the Daily Brew Garage, and today we're going to be working on the 1988 Jeep Wrangler YJ project, part 2 of the body mount bolt removal. So stick around, let's get to it. I was kind of hoping that wouldn't happen, but it did. So this is the right rear, the first broken one that I've had. So we'll have to see what to do about that. Today I tackled the rest of the bolts, the rest of the body mount bolts. Got all but two came out okay. This one right here and the right rear broke off inside right where it threads through the body, so I've got to figure that out. The one on the front left of the three on the driver's side is just free spinning. It's bonded to that insert and just free spinning in there. So I got all but two out. So call it a day.